Good afternoon, everybody. The weekend officially here now that we're looking at after 5 o'clock Eastern time. Take a look at temperatures outdoors. 31 in Rockville, 29 in Paris. Not bad compared to some of the numbers we've had this week, but with the sun dropping, getting dark, of course, outside. The skies are clear with a few clouds down here around Knox and Daviess County, a few back up into Greene County, but it's the winds. I mean, even though we've had some sun today, winds, again, even though they're out of the south and southwest, still having an impact on our temperatures. That 12-mile-an-hour wind in Robinson makes it feel like 25 degrees. Feels like 24 in Terre Haute, 26 in Rockville. So if your plans are still to head out this evening, make sure you dress for it because it's going to be cold outside this evening. Big picture keeps us quiet. Again, these clouds, a few snow flurries in southern Illinois and southern Indiana out of this. Nothing new as far as accumulating snows out of it by any means. But as we mentioned a couple days ago, with the clouds we've got, the clouds that were expected through today, a few snow flurries were not out of the question. It's going to be quiet, though, this evening. But we got to get into Futurecast. We've got an interesting Saturday, so take a look at this clock right here. 8 o'clock tonight, okay, quiet. We'll put this thing 1 hour by hour into tomorrow morning. Upper teens, 16s, 17s, 18s for morning lows. Winds out of the southwest. But watch this. It's going to be quiet at first, and you're going to see some clouds develop down here real quick. Boom, they start to develop around lunchtime. And wait a minute, what's that blue stuff? Yeah, that's snow. We have a chance for some light snow, possibly a wintry mix, because temperatures are going to climb into the mid-30s tomorrow. And again, it's not going to be a lot, but it isn't going to take much. We've got a lot of snow in some of our southern counties still. We still have quite a bit of snow here along I-70 on the secondary roads, county roads, things like that. Main roads are doing all right. But nonetheless, you've noticed there have been a lot of school delays still to the south in our southern counties. That's because those county roads are still in rough shape. All right, let's do this. Saturday at 4 p.m., we've got some light snow around. How long does it last? Or a wintry mix even in there in some areas. This lasts up until, well, those afternoon, about 9 evening hours, 10 o'clock Saturday night. It's gone by Sunday morning, but again, what we're going to find is that it's going to be enough to give us some slick spots. You got to be careful outside this weekend, and then it's all gone as we get into Sunday evening. Things really shape up a little bit better where we get into some partly cloudy skies outside, and we get into a little more sunshine, and temperatures are actually going to try to warm up just a little bit. In the meantime, let's get back to tonight. 17 the overnight low under most of the clear skies. It's going to be cold. We mentioned tomorrow afternoon, wintry mix. As far as snowfall is concerned with this, half-inch at most out of this is the way it looks right now. More of a dusting kind of event for us. Again, 26 degrees tomorrow night. That wintry mix is moving out. Your 7-day forecast moves in. There's your 7-day forecast. 42 on Tuesday, 44 on Wednesday. We got a chance for some rain next week, so if you want to get rid of the snow, it'll finally be out of the picture next week, Susie. But what's on the ground right now and the wintry mix in the forecast tomorrow, still going to have some slick spots this weekend. You got